In this video, we're going to talk about how to change your car registration address in Massachusetts. So, whenever you move, it's important to update your address not just for your license but also for your car registrations. So, in Massachusetts, the Registry of Motor Vehicles or RMV makes this process pretty simple and you can even do it online. So, the first step is go to the Massachusetts RMV website and look for the options that can change your address. And here's it is. So after that, look for the change information on your vehicle registration. So click that, and then after that, you can now see the change your address online. So you can also see here that you can change information on your registration such as your name, address, color of vehicle, garaging, cross weight, leasing, and insurance. So just simply go to the insurance agent and complete a registration and title applications with the changes, and your insurance agent must stamp and sign the applications. So include the license number and dates of birth for all owners listed on the registration. So indicate the change in applicable space on the application. And after verifying the information, all owners must sign the applications. So there is a fee, of course. So for the vehicle registration amendment fee for $25 each unit. And that's it. Now, if you want to change your address online, just simply click this change your address online and it will bring you to the My RMB online service centers. So in here, you can contact their customer service if you want to change your address online. So once you submitted the change, you won't automatically get a new registration certificate with the new address printed on it. Instead, Massachusetts allows you to print an address change confirmation and keep it with your current registration until your renewal comes up. So that way, if you ever need to show your registration, you have a proof that your address is up to date. So it is also good to give an idea to notify your insurance company of your new address since that can affect your coverage and rates. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.